I would like to welcome Bornan Saesee, and he will be playing some of our traditional Lahu music instruments. Please help me welcome.
Hello. Hey, hello, Jala.
He's very happy to be here.
Walja, kala maku lahu, chomo choke, choya tipa maku tiga lilia.
Regardless of who you are,
Kala le bu jahe jale.
and he's very thankful.
Allah tipa lahu we, nomi si thami si tipa tiji aja, ti malawi jale.
And who would like to demonstrate some of the Lahu traditional music instruments, and he would like to play some of those instruments as well.
Chỉ vì ô câu bị aja ngawi ô aja ku ala si amon the mi lo nomi hio.
And who would like to say a few words before he begin?
Ngao amia so chi kho ga wa jo.
He's now 70 years old.
Kete ô câu ma la jo.
The first time when he arrived, he landed in Utah. He arrived to Vaisala in 1985. And it's about 75 years since he's here. Oh, okay.
48 years ago.
48 years. Okay. So he's been here for 48 years now. Okay, you call it what's alive. Okay.
Nó lo mua mì về cala la rồi về Tony với giờ cala về này phụ mẹ.
So he did join the military as well when he was in Laos. So and he joined the general whose name was Tony. He just remembered that his name was Tony. So he was just explaining that, because of the Vietnam War that I talked about earlier, and he did help the Americans as well, and so that's why he's here. Yes. So because the Americans withdrew the war, and so he had the opportunity to arrive here. When he was back in Laos, he didn't have anything, and he's thankful that the Americans were able to, allow the Lahu families, including himself, to come here. Oh, when they first moved out of Laos, there were about 350 individuals, Lahu individuals. Oh, he led those people, 350 people. He was also one of the Lahu leaders, and I believe this was back in 1975. And now he's still supporting the Lahu here, American as well. Now I would like to demonstrate some of the Lahu traditional music instruments to you guys. Okay,
Get the kids. Whose kids over there? Mẹ sai nó ra la vi chủ về chủ la vi nào thoát xe ya. Chủ thoát xe cái về cái ya.
vì chưa vì chỉ mấy chưa mấy về ami thang hay chơi về chỉ mấy về em nhà đi bà về cho họ khẩn chơi gì nó chỉ mấy là phụ cái
So one of the reasons about this instrument here, it's called the traditional Lahu gourd flute, and they play this to attract young ladies when they were singles, of course, right? With Lahu with guitar. Oh, this is the kind of like a, I don't know, does it seem like a Lahu guitar? So well, I'll just call it Lahu guitar for now, okay? Okay, so he's because of his age, he's a little tired as well, and so that is it for the Lahu guitar. Oh, actually, he has one more instrument, and Okay, so this is called the traditional Lahu mouth harp, which he'll be playing in a bit here. This is another way where the young couples they use these instruments to communicate with each other. Okay, that's it. And no, we like talk with the land no never me. Atukuche kete no man. I was asking him, what does that mean? What is he saying?
ငါချလူလာကပဲချင်မယ်နောင်ချက်ပါလာကပဲချင်မလဲတဲ့ကတဲ့ရမီကောလာတဲ့ပေါ်ငါမီနောင်ချက်ပါလာကလေကုမီယာလောရမီကတဲ့စီတာလော
It's a way of giving sign to the girl that he's here to talk to you, and maybe there's a future.
ရမီမီခေါ်လောငါလီလာကဆိုရင်တော့လာချူလာဝလေမီယောလီလာတူဝလေမီခေါ်လောကတဲ့เมขาวีတော့ကြောက်တိုင်းမဲ့ကတိလာပဲ
And this only happens like during the nighttime where like the adults won't see them, right? So they would just go near each other and they would play these instruments to kind of like in a way of communicating that hey I'm available or you're available I need a partner. So it's a way of just like a courtship and then dating.
Okay, Obuja. Thank you everybody. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.